Alright, we're just about to fire this sucker up, preheat, and start running her in the street, tuning her a bit. But right about now, I would love to get rid of this fucking exhaust system. Alright, I would definitely recommend a Dynamite 086 pipe for this and the Buggy. But it's sadly they discontinued it. I think they are very sadly mistaken. It could have definitely sold a lot more. I don't know what the hell is up with Dynamite nowadays, but they discontinued that great pipe. It was a reasonably great priced pipe, very heavy duty, very good performance. They discontinued it. Real damn sad, very sad. But alright, let's go. First tank, 30% nitro, 11% oil. Shake it up. Hold that, babe.
This?
Yep. There we go. You got it, babe? Okay. Got a little help here. That spring is hard, right? Slipping, right?
God.
Fighting with that thing.
Oh my God.
All right. Okay, so let's preheat one more time to 200. Now we're gonna run this, tune it, and get her somewhat dialed in. Then we gotta take the motor out. This is the first and last time this RTR truggy sees this engine. That's it. 222. It's fine. Alright, I tune to visibility of what I see and hear. That's it. And how I like my engines to run. All right, I don't tune to temps. All right, check it out. Let's see the stock servos. All right, first time, not bad, not bad. Off the ground. All right, hand points are good. We checked that before. Now let's fire this baby up. It's going to be really rich. I'm going to have to carry a flathead screwdriver with me because I'm going to start tuning this. Alright, let's start over here. Oh yeah, she wants to run. Just gotta, still very rich, so I'm going to give her some gas. Should fire up, should run. Yep. Dying out. Cool. What I'm gonna do now, for the first time, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start up again, run it, clear it, give it some RPMs. I'm gonna go straight to the low speed needle. That's it. I don't touch no idle screws. Right? My idle mixture is perfect. It's at a 0.5 millimeter. Right? That's what you want. I'm gonna lean the low until I can get a little idle out of her, all right? And clear it, throttle, clear it up. So you know it's cleared up. The pipe's not full of oil and the engine is breathing properly. Once you get your idle that you want with no crazy Chewbacca sounds, throw her on the ground, hear it, listen to it. The engine is already at 200 something degrees, so we're good, all right? Do not adjust the low speed when the engine is cold. The engine must be preheated, warmed up. Alright, so then we're going to go back and forth. I want to try to get the high speed in. So I'm going to start leaning the high on the road. But let's get our idle first. Our low speed done, alright? So, it's very rich. Crazy rich. This glow plug has got to be garbage by now. I bet you the glow plug is garbage. This glow plug has been through heavy, thick, rich oil fuel. like that idle. She's idling pretty good. You can hit the brake and she stays idling. Okay? Let's go. It's very rich on the high. Very rich. Let's go lean the high out. This is how I tune. Bass tune. First time ever driving RTR. We're gonna have to set the steering. Crazy rich. First time driving. See how rich it is? Oh man, that's full throttle. Woo, that's rich. That's full throttle, guys. Alright, let's start leaning her out. Woo. Guns for this. You gotta look at it, hear it. Big difference. Still rich. She's waking up. Waking up. Come on. Oh. Really good for it. I think this motor likes to stay on the rich side. Oh yeah, she's spinning the front tires, boy. That's a lot of power being wasted. If we thicken the center diff and the rear and the front diffs, we will get more power. It will have a heavier launch. Look at that, this front tire just spinning. I'm gonna lower the idle. For me, it's a little too high, so I'm gonna do that by richening the low speed. She's moving very good, and she's very rich. Plenty of protection. Stupid. You can have fun all day like this. All day. Outlast any battery car like this. and it's still rich. We can still go faster, but I think I'm gonna leave it here. No, let me give it a little more power. Yeah, man, she's moving good, bro. Plenty, great takeoff, everything. Top speed. Oh, let's do a little off-road. Now we can give her some more power, but we got protection, we got everything right now. There you go, Mark. How's that? Perfect motor for you to learn on, Mark. Marky D. Make sure this motor is good for Marky D, you know what I'm saying? If you guys don't have back plates that I recommend, if you're running pull start, make sure that your pull start is out. Don't keep the pull start inside. We're getting some air in this little jumpy jump. That's what I'm talking about, right there.
Whoa!
Mom's gonna kill me.
Landed.
If you throw a TNS motor on this is what happens. Mark, when you're done with this RTR motor, throw a TNS motor. Look at that. Nitro daughter Martina. Nice jump, babe. Nice jump. That's cool. Well, you missed it like I do. Nice, babe. Babe, when you're up in the air, let go of the gas. All right, Mark, your motor's all broken in, all ready to go. It will run. When it nosedives, hit the gas. Before it nosedives, hit the gas. Yeah, mate. Nice, babe. My daughter's used to, go ahead, hit the gas. Nice one, babe. My daughter's used to monster trucks. She's used to the LOSI LST, Savage, .25, and MGT. Nice, babe. Well, I'm gonna have to find some motor to put in here for my daughter. I'm not gonna throw anything crazy in there, but not yet anyway. I may put a 26 Dynamite motor in here. The 26 Dynamite doesn't have the punch this one has, but it has more RPMs. All right, bottom dead center. Pull down. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna blow out all this debris here. Very simple job. All right. My daughter really loves the truggy. She was just saying she wants to drive some more, but we're gonna have to take this motor out. I'm gonna try to break in that DYN.26 ASAP. Drop it in here for her. All right. I'm gonna remove the clutch bell, the flywheel, my collet. I'm gonna remove these engine mounts because I'm not going to use them, nor is Mark, because Mark has the 4.0 ones for the bump box. And when I see Mark tomorrow, all we got to do is install his air filter, install his back plate, install his motor mounts, and let's rock and roll. All right, and that's it. Now we got Mark's motor here. The new one that I broke in.
What a nice day. Holy smokes.
Let's see his stuff here.
You see what he made?
No, let me see. That's what I'm talking. He made your trophy keychain. Look at this. Awesome, brother. That is cool, man.
Pretty sweet.
All right. Very nice.
Maybe I'll get a little longer than 10 minutes being a Nitro owner today.
Yeah. I hope so. Let's see. Now we're gonna put all these goodies onto the new motor.
10:53 last night.
10:53.
That's when you filmed breaking it in. I was like, yo, in my neighborhood, I'm down by the water. Dead quiet. Everyone would be waking up thinking there was a flood. They'd think it was a generator.
Alright, we're gonna use your back plate. Alright, we're gonna
Check out that,
pull start out.
that track moist.
Engine mounts, flywheel, all that. The sleeve, I'm just over here taking a look at this. You can probably reuse this. I mean, no scratches. Just piston really and connecting rod failure. Alright. Still a good block. Alright, it's rebuildable, but put the money somewhere else, like a Nova or a Pico or a LRP. No. Well, it's for, this is battery terminal pullers. I just use it for flywheels.
You want to record?
Done.
Oh, you are recording now. We out here working. Making it happen. Got the toolbox ready. John, did I not put a clutch bell in there?
No, clutch belt, no.
Will this work? Jesus Christ. Clutch bell. What's the matter with you? You got the
Son
bearings?
of
a bitch.
I think he needs a 13.
That's one bearing there?
Yeah. You have the...
There's the second bearing here. What else do you need?
The collet, no.
Master Mechanics here. You're gonna start, get in there, Master?
Screw the flywheel. If you go home, bring the 13 too.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, back plate. Perfect.
Look, I looked at the front bearing on that bell. It looks shot.
Perfect.
This is a new Boca bearing.
Okay.
It's only like $30. It's cool.
Damn, Boca bearings, bro. That's top
But
notch.
see if it needs it. If it doesn't need it, don't use it. And this one is not relevant.
All right. Yep. All right, one-way bearing. All right, shit that I don't like. Well, get rid of that shit. We're gonna remove this whole thing. We're gonna lighten it up. We're gonna be installing a back plate, sealed plate. In order to the back plate to work, you must use these motor mounts. Right, it's off the 4.0 race kit. Right?
There it is.
Boom. Look at how heavy. You're getting rid of weight. You're getting rid of all this shit that's spinning. You're getting rid of, look at that beautiful motor. Now, always, you see that? See this, guys? Do not leave this here. You will destroy your motor if you leave this crap shit here. Is it, can you see it?
Yeah.
If you leave that there, bye-bye motor.
You want a pair of, oh, yeah.
There it is. See this? Get rid of that shit. Throw your new sealed back plate in here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lube this O-ring.
What do you need?
Just gonna lube her up. Face it up. There's an arrow here. Okay, voila, simple as that. Reuse these, Loctite them up, Loctite them. All right. So
On the motor.
remove your pull start. Remove your one-way bearing. Remove this whole shit right here that robbing your power. And do not forget to remove this. Do not leave this in your engine.
That's what Ant did.
Done.
That's what mine blew up.
No, yours was over revved, bro. That thing was like, what? That's it. Simple as that. Loctite, Loctite, Loctite your screws. Done. That's how you replace a back plate. A lot of people asking me. Man, it's time to work like a gentleman, bro.
That's what I always
Work like
say.
a fucking gentleman, dude. You're done with this. Speaking of endpoints, we got to check your endpoints. So,
Is that adjustable speed?
yeah, there's you got clutches here.
Oh, that's nice.
It's pretty cool, yeah. I really like it.
Jackson! Jackson's like background music. He just keeps talking. What do you get it close and then snug him up?
Yeah. That thing's running with shot clutch bearings. All right, we're gonna do some Boca bearings here. Mark, you're driving it, bro.
I'm really doing it!
Holy shit, you are driving you. Whoa, whoa. What, you jumping in already, bro?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. Gotta get it in while it's running.
Where is it? I can't see it. You know I just broke that in yesterday, right?
I'm breaking it in now. I'm finishing it.
Yo, your fucking RT almost cleared the three of them, bro. 28, son. Broken in by both the gel. All you need now is a Dynamite 06.
I'm running out of gas.